Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Polkadot from MetaMask to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding Polkadot in your MetaMask wallet and want to move it to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the fast-evolving crypto world. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed and set up on your browser. If you haven't added the Polkadot network yet, head to the MetaMask settings, go to Networks, and add Polkadot's custom RPC details. You can find these online. Just search for the latest 2025 endpoints to ensure you're up to date. Next, log into your Bitmart account and navigate to your wallet section. Generate or copy your Bitmart deposit address for Polkadot. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like the Polkadot mainnet, to prevent any transfer errors. Now, back in MetaMask, select your Polkadot account and click on the asset. Hit the Send button. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the gas fees. Crypto fees can fluctuate, so aim for a balance between speed and cost in 2025's dynamic market. Before you confirm, review everything twice. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like Polkadot's Subscan to see when it arrives. Once the transfer is complete, head back to Bitmart and refresh your wallet. Your Polkadot should now be there, ready for whatever you have planned. Remember, security is key. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and stay vigilant against scams. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring Polkadot from MetaMask to Bitmart. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.